Hi guys! Sakanta na naman tayo sa request ng Resignation. Actually, kinanta ko na to. Makikita nyo sa mga videos ko. Pa-share, pa-like, and pa-follow. Thank you, thank you. Kakantayin na natin ng Resignation ni Morissette version natin, Yours Truly. Kantayin natin. Support kayo guys! Through all those times, I felt a happiness with you, even though you never felt the same way too. It's not that I didn't know what you felt in your heart, 'cause I felt it too. Letting go, letting you leave it all behind. There's something I'll never get used to, and it hurts to know that you may never look my way again. Why didn't you tell me? What have you back? Did you ever think of everything I feel? You fell for me and said I had your heart, but you just let me fall, never try to catch me at all. Should I hate you and try to just forget? Should I blame myself and live with this regret? If I could only do it all again, I would turn back time, back when I was yours and you were still mine. Sana'y narinig sa iyong labi, di ganun iyong nadarama sa'kin. Hinayaan mong pusong nahuhulog at nasasaktan na nga ngayon. May magagawa pa ba? Malilimot pa bang mga sakit? Nagkulang ba't di nadumang pag-ibig? Kung maibabalik ang nagdaan, nung ako'y iyong angkin, at doon mayroong ako't ikaw pa rin. Since you decided to walk out the door, I won't question your choice anymore. Just please don't never look my way again. I try to hold in the tears with a smile and hope that it could last me a while, watching all of these fading memories, and it's finally clear to me we were never meant to be. Sa mayaman hagitsi ijajitsumit duruk nasir saranggat senggat hatsi alangay nasimadama saranggat dari sarang nagan dugo si puso. hoping one day she could be all the happiness you never found with me. Try new Happy Baby Pants diaper. Good for babies and with hypoallergenic na good for the skin. Sizes may vary, malambot, fit for the babies and pants style siya kaya no hassle. Subok mo na ito, affordable pa. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Bili na! Pang hinahanap nyo. Try Happy Baby Pants. Please consult your doctors for more details.